So what's up guys, Edney right here. In today's video, I will teach you guys how to read Forex chart. And this video is for total beginners and experienced traders also, right? So when you're reading a Forex chart, when you open your trading view or your MetaTrader and you are trying to read the Forex chart and understand what price action is currently doing, there are three main price action that could be happening at this moment. First one, you can have, let me just centralize this a little bit, you can have one uptrend, right? So you can be on an uptrend, so prices is going up, right? Or some people call it also bullish trend. So you can have up or bullish trend, price is bullish. The second one, you can have a downtrend. What does it mean? Price is going down. So some people also call it, traders mostly call it a bearish trend, right? Bulls and bearish. I put an I right here, should be here. Anyway, let's just move on. A bearish trend. And you can also have another trend, or better saying, the inexistence of any kind of trend. When you don't have a bullish or a bearish trend, a up or a down trend, you will have a consolidation in price, right? So price is consolidated. Consolidation on the price. So when you go to your chart, but actually, let me just try to present myself for you guys, right? I'm Edney Pinheiro. I'm a trader since 2015. That was when I was presented to the financial market at all. I am also a founder trader for my Forex Farm since 2022. But in fact, I'm profitable since the ending of 2018, beginning of 2019. So I definitely know what I'm talking about, and I am damn sure that if you pay attention to this lesson, you can 100% understand and take advantage of my knowledge and experience. I will do my best to teach you what I know, right? So when you try to read Forex chart again, you can have a uptrend, a downtrend, or a consolidation. Bullish trend is the same thing as uptrend. Downtrend is same thing like bearish trend, and consolidation. This comes from the, well known in the market. When we are having a uptrend, they say the market is bullish because of the bull, right? So they say the bull, he go from down to up. That's why. And bearish, it comes for the bear. I don't know why actually, but consolidation, we just know it is when you don't have any of those two first here, right here. If you don't have one uptrend or a downtrend, you have consolidation. That's for sure, right? So how can you identify if we are on an uptrend or in a downtrend, right? So let's start with uptrend. Uptrend, and what's the other name? As I told you guys on the past slide, a bullish market, right? If you are on an uptrend, we are also on a bullish market, right? Those two are the same thing. How can you identify if you are on a bullish market? Let's say you see on the television, okay, Apple stock is bullish. Why they are saying that Apple stock is bullish? Why they are saying that Apple stock is increasing in price? Of course, price is increasing, but when you go to the chart, when you came here on the Forex chart, how can you identify that the chart is bullish or bearish? It's simple, right? And just come with me. By the way, subscribe and drop a like in the video. The first thing you will try to identify is a bottom or a top, right? You need to identify or a bottom or a top to know if the market is bullish. And it is simple, very simple to understand. If you are on an uptrend, the market will do a top, a high, right? It will retrace. It won't be able to break this low right here, let's say in a daily chart, and it will do what? Expand again. So let me try to explain this again so you can understand even better. You will have a low right here, you will have a low and high, and like here, a high and low. And again, this high and low can't make a low lower than this one. So market can never keep below this price right here. The minimum price when this low was formed right here, the high and low can broke it. It just can if we are on a bullish market, right? So this is a clear scenario right here of a bullish market, where market will retreat and expand. I'm 100% sure you probably already heard about this. When we are on a bullish market, we will have expansion and retraction, but the retraction will never be able to go to a lower point, a lower price than the previous expansion. What does mean? If you have right here one expansion, this retracement right here can't go below this low, the previous low of the previous expansion. So that's exactly what is happening right here. We have expansion and we have retraction. Expansion, retraction, expansion, and of course retraction. And that's easily how you can identify a bullish market. And you're reading the Forex market, so you go to the chart, and you'll see the candles, you will see the price action, and if you see low and high, high and low, low and high here, high and low, and it just goes on. Right now from this YouTube channel, you just learned with me that we are on a bullish market. Simple like that, right? No question about it. It's very simple, very easy actually to understand if we are on a bullish market. And what about a bearish market, right? What about the bearish market? It's just the opposite. But I will also, of course, and push this right here, and I will try to explain to you guys also on a downtrend or as I told you guys, bearish market, right? Bearish market, bearish trend, whatever you prefer to call it. It's very easy to understand also. You will have expansion and retraction, expansion, retraction, expansion, retraction, expansion. It just goes on. And this is the high right now, right? Because we are on a bearish market, so market is going down, right? So we have the high right here, we have the low, we have the low and high, the high and low, the low and high, high and low, low and high, and it just goes on. In this scenario, on a bearish trend scenario, what we will have is expansion to the downside, right? Price is going down. The price of the asset, it doesn't matter if it's gold, Euro USD, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, doesn't matter. The price of this asset need to be on the downtrend. It need to decrease while price is on expansion. And it's totally the opposite what is happening here. In this scenario, again, doesn't matter if it's Dow Jones, gold, Euro USD, Nasdaq, Boom, VIX, it doesn't matter the asset. While price is on one expansion, the price of this asset, the price actually showed you that the price of this asset is increasing. And if you combine that with how the chart is present itself, if it's presenting this scenario that I already explained to you guys, we are in a bullish trend. And if it show to you, present to you in this scenario right here, let me push this a little bit more to the side. So I want you guys, all the focus of you guys in this right here, right? That's what you need to pay attention. If in this scenario right here, the price on the expansion, the price is going down, you have a bearish price. And in retraction, price is going up, right? This is simple like this. And of course, we have a lot of break of market structure. This is another concept that I don't think I will explain to you guys in this lesson, but 100% on the next one, I will try to explain to you guys how to take trades using this. Just for know, if you just know if price is on a bullish trend and a bearish trend, you are already above 90% of the traders. Most of them don't even know. They don't even know if the price is going up or down on the macro scenario, right? On the high time frame scenario, on the low time frame scenario. And even over 90% of the traders, they don't even know how to combine a multi-time frame analysis so they can take advantage of all time frames and take the sniper entry when they're trading. And that's just, it's just mind blowing to me how some traders, some day traders, intraday traders, scalpers out there on the market, they are so dumb. They are so dumb, and they got their stop loss triggered all the time, because basically they actually think they can just see this, place a trend line, and the price will respect it. This is something that everyone can do. Like, how do you think you will become millionaire trading trend line? For me, that just don't make sense, But anyway, let's continue our lesson right here. So if price is going down, you know that this is a high, this is the lowest point, and in this retraction right here, the market can never ever go above the max value that was established when price made this high right here. Price can't do this. I should have a basic right here, so it will be more even to me to draw this for you guys, right? So I could, erase it very fast. But I'm not on Photoshop, I'm on action paper, so I can't, Anyway, if this happened, let me put in this way. If this happens, you actually had price going above the max value that was established exactly right here. What is happening actually is a shift of market structure again. The market was bearish and it now become bullish, right? And that's a core concept actually of smart money concepts trader, ICT traders, and supply and demand, even other block traders. That's a fundamental part of how they trade, of their strategy. They need to understand first if price is on a bullish, bearish, or in consolidation, and also they need to understand, really need to have in mind to understand completely 100% the multi-time frame analysis and build a history on their before taking their trades, right? And in the consolidation, what normally will happen in a consolidation? Yeah, consolidation have a lot of different things can happen to drive the price to join a consolidation. First is just traders and investors. They are not sure if the market will deliver what everybody is expecting it to deliver. Or let's say when you have a consolidation, probably traders are on the gray area. They are not sure of what pricing will do next, so they just wait. Institutions will wait, big players will wait, so they will put their money on one asset and make it go up or down, right? So consolidation, on a consolidation, prices basically just moving around, right? Prices don't go up, don't go down. It's normally, to understand the consolidation, it's very simple, because price will made a high, let's see in this case right here, it will made a low, but as you can see, it was never able to came below this low and made what? We have a high right here, we have a low, we should have, let's say here, a low, a high, but to have this low, a high, we need to have a high, low, and price is never able to make a high, low. That's how we know price is on a consolidation. And in this scenario, you can say it's a bearish consolidation. Okay, I can agree with you with that, but we can also have this type of consolidation right here, where you have a low, a high, and price will never be able, we have a low right here, we have a high right here, we should have a high and low. Price will never be able to do a low and high, That's how you can identify a clear consolidation. But the fact that the price is in consolidation doesn't mean that you will be able to take trades. You will, 100% you will. Why? Because you can read the structure that is inside the range. Here you have a range, right? One high, one low, so you have a range. And between these range, you have structure inside this range. And if you follow the structure inside the range, you can trade it like in 15 seconds, 1 minute, and even 5 minutes. You can just, if you are able to understand the concept of multi-time frame analysis, 100% you can understand this right here and take trades with inside the structure. And just to make sure you guys understand everything I think, you guys, I want you right now to just drop a like in this video right here. Drop a like, and of course subscribe to this channel. Drop, if you have any question, just drop on the comment section, and I will be able to understand what is your doubt and clarify it if possible, right? See you guys very soon. Take care. Bye.